Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. This one is an update video for the LFD roof rack that we previously installed in the last video. And I finally had the 4Runner out on the road because the sealant now for the most part has dried up. It was very, very humid in my garage. So I wanted to wait until the silicone and stuff really like cured and everything like that before I drove, because it's been raining for like the past 3 days. But we are driving about 70 now. And guys, there's zero wind noise at all. I had it at 80, I had it at 50, I've had it all over the spectrum of the speedometer, going up over the Mid-Bay Bridge, which you're about maybe 30 feet above sea level. And it's been raining and raining, so the air is the thickest right now. So that is very good for the test, because to me, if the air is the thickest right now, that's when it's gonna have the most density against the roof rack to really make noise, if it's gonna make noise. But if you guys have the crossbars and you only have the crossbars, you know, I mean, I had 4, so you guys know how much it actually howls. I mean, it almost made it to the point where it was not annoying to drive the 4Runner on the freeway, but like hearing the tires is one thing because they're off-road tires, so you expect it. But having the roof rails on top, I mean, you guys have heard in some previous videos, it's just ooh, like a freaking howling dog just going off and off and off. But now that I have this wind visor up there, I mean, you can't hear anything. It is very, very good, very quiet. It makes the 4Runner, I mean, the 4Runner's always been a pleasure to drive, but it makes the 4Runner just good to drive again on the freeways without having to turn your radio up all the way, because I had 4 crossbars up there with nothing on them to help dissipate the wind. So very quick video for you guys, because a lot of people are asking about wind noise. I plan on taking more photos and drone footage of the roof rack once the rain actually stops, so you guys can see side profile, front profile, top down view, all that stuff. So look forward to that video. If you guys are new around here, please consider subscribing, and I will catch you all in the next one.